Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am Hadidi Makeovers. We do makeup and turban tutorials and other educating issues on business and makeup. So guys, as you can see, today we are going to be tying the rose petal turban as you've seen on my thumbnail. So first of all, I'm going to be cleaning her edges, making sure everything stays intact. Then, I use my hair wax, the normal hair wax you see in the market every time, the sticky one. Yeah, I use my hair wax to clean out her edges so that it stays firm. So secondly, I'm going to be using this black veil. It's not slippery. You don't want to use a slippery veil. I used this cotton veil under her head so that it stays as a base for my turban. I like doing the base. If you have a jersey scarf or something that looks like cotton, is better when you tie it under. Whenever you're tying this type of rawsilk, it stays firm. It's not any side that you tie with this thing, like with this base, and stays. You're just creating more heat. But for this dupion rawsilk, I like doing the base first so that it stays firmly on your head, and also it helps you with the when it stays firmly, it helps with your pinning. When you pin it, it lasts longer. Yes, that's the idea. That's what I want to say. So this turban is a 70-30 ratio. As you can see, I'm going to be slightly bending the part of the turban, placing one over her ears and the other one, the ears is going to be outside like this. As you can see, the base is even showing from this side of the turban. So that is the 70 part that I'm pleating now. I asked her to hold down the 30 parts of the turban from under her head like this. Then I'll be bringing this one back, asking her to hold it firmly. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to create a V-shaped turban from the front of her head, like this, from the front of her forehead. So I want the V shape to show very well. So I'm going to be counting how many pleats I made with the 71. Then I'm going to be creating the same pleat on this 30 part of the turban so that it stays the same and everything looks equal. You don't want to have one pleat bigger than the other one. So as you can see, I'm just counting to see if it's the same. So I think I counted 6 pleats. I'm going to making the same 6 pleats here. I'm going to be making the same splits here on this 30 part. Then I'll move ahead and just fold anything in. I'll hold in everything. Then I'll use a safety pin to hold it down. So the reason why we are using the base in the first place is because I want my hair tie to stay firmly. Can you see? It even helps with it provides protection from the head. It's like when you're pinning the hair tie, it stays on the base itself. It doesn't go and then poke the person on their scalp or anything like that. So that's the reason why, and because I want the hair to look fuller. And then yes, that's just my reason for tying the base before tying the hair tie. So as you can see, my V is not looking equally from the middle of the head. I'm just going to take the 70 part of the turban, bring it down to the other side so that it stays firmly. So now I'm pushing the turban back. You don't want to push the turban after you're done with your hair tie. You want to push it before you're done with your hair tie, because when you're done with your petals or your ruffles and anything like that, and you go ahead and say you want to push it back, you end up messing up your pleats or messing up your ruffles. So it's better, preferably you do it before making your pleats. So as you can see, I've secured the 70 part already. So we are about to create magic now. We're about to do the petals of the turban. So I'm just going to be holding this down, making sure the turban is firm and it stays perfectly well on her head. Then I'm going to just pin that down. That I don't want it to be flying up and down or the remnants looking all scattered and all like that. So we are going to be holding the middle part of the remnants. As you can see, I'm holding that up like this. Then I'll twist it from side to side so that you can see this. So it's just a practical thing. When you look at it, I just squeezed and then twisted everything from the side. So I would later, after pinning this down, I'm going to be holding the middle parts together so that I can have a base for my petals. So once this one is secured, I'll go ahead and then I'll start picking up the petals, then making sure everything stays neat and nice. Can you see the rose is now coming out? It's now forming as I'm holding it in and then making the rose petal. I'll be holding it out with a pin. I'll be securing that with an office pin. Can you see this? So that's how I'll continue making this until my rose petal comes out very well and perfectly. So guys, you have to be careful when you do this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I know I haven't done this for a very long time. You know, our ember months now as a makeup artist, everything is choked up. I take classes, I have bookings and all of that. So but alhamdulillah, now I am a little bit free. My YouTube channel, I want to be back fully so that you guys will see how things go. So this is the side of the petals. Can you see how neat that is looking? You just have to make it look neat and sweet, and then just create whatever it is you want to create by the side. You want your rose to stay nice, you want your rose to stay neat. So basically what I just did here was I just held down the remaining part of the turban. I did not know why it was not recorded. The person standing behind the camera, I just pulled everything out together, hold everything in, like that's the remaining part of the other side where the rose petal was not created. I held everything down, press it down, then pin everything at the back of her head, and voila, this is the final turban. You guys like it? If you do, please don't forget to leave a heart. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to like. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.